5 minus 1 which equal to 4. Here 5 minus 1 the parenthesis also which equal to 4. Then 4 times 4 which equals 16. Okay, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this expression there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and there is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is one subtraction. Okay, therefore according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, if we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore according to Pemdas, first we need to do this parenthesis, 5 minus 1 which equals 4, then 5 minus 1 times 4. Here there is one subtraction, one multiplication. Therefore multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction according to Pemdas, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, therefore we need to multiply this number first, 1 times 4 which equals 4, then 5 minus 4 which equals to 1. Okay, this is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore the final answer of this problem is equals to 1.